Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a medium-sized book. First, define your book's purpose and target audience. A common medium size is 6 by 9 inches, offering good readability. Next, outline your content, breaking it into chapters and sections. Gathering all your materials beforehand ensures a smooth and efficient creative process. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful book. Now, let's dive into writing and formatting. Craft your manuscript with clear, engaging content. For readability, choose a font like 12-point Times New Roman. Maintain consistent margins, usually 1 inch on all sides, for a professional look. Employ headings and subheadings to organize your text, guiding your readers smoothly through your narrative. Next, focus on your book's visual appeal. Design an eye-catching cover that truly reflects its genre. Craft a compelling back cover blurb, ideally around 150 words, to entice readers. Carefully format the interior layout, ensuring consistent page numbers and headers. Utilizing professional design tools can significantly enhance your book's overall polished appearance. Finally, it's time for printing and publishing. You can choose between print-on-demand or offset printing, depending on your needs. Always review a physical proof copy meticulously for any errors before giving final approval. Decide on your distribution channels, like online retailers, and then market your book effectively to connect with your target audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.